going to take the Kraton 6S V6 for a spin today. Let's go. Running two 3S Onyx packs in here today, and I've got the ramp out again. This thing is a wheelie monster. Set it up for a first jump. Yeah. 6X power is amazing. Handle's so good, this. Slide it around a bit. I haven't got a gyro or anything from this. I don't think it really needs it. All day this, and wheelies. Had to abort that one. Didn't quite catch the ramp square. Give it another go. Got that one. Oh. My little helper to help me flip it back. Thanks, mate. That's why I secretly bring him. But don't tell him that. Sorry. Easy backflip. Go on, you go, mate. Sometimes it's nice just to float it in the air. Let's try one of those. Corrects really nicely in the air. It's pretty effortless. Oh, that was a bad one. See how that wheelie bar held up there. It's intact. Does it need trimming up? Looks alright. I'm running the stock servo in this, which is the S665. I've had pretty good experiences with those on the Arrmas. Some people don't like them. What are your thoughts?
The silly thing is that I haven't got any pants on.
Oh no. I won't put that in the YouTube video. Bring it back this way. Bring it back this way, mate. Bring it back this way. I've done a few standing backflips with this, but I don't do it that often in case it destroys my diffs. And the other thing I've heard with these new version Kratons, and I think it's more to do with the EXP V6 or V4 or whatever the EXP version is now. A lot of people have had problems with the diffs not holding out and literally going within the first run of their Kratons. But when I got this, I just filled the diffs up and shimmed them. They didn't really require a huge amount of shimming, but I have not really had a problem with it at all. It's been solid. I do feel sorry for those that got those faulty diffs, because let's face it, it's not a cheap car. Last thing you want is to buy from a reputable brand like Arrma or any others and pay a lot of money and you know, have it break on something that should really not break on the first run. Go and get it, mate. Thank you. Got the Mojave Grom out again. My son is really enjoying that. The tyres are pretty worn on this now, so I have replacements in tow and a new body. The servo could be a bit faster on this rig and a bit more powerful, but it's okay, it does the job. Go on, mate, do a jump. Go. Yeah! What's that? It nearly squashed you. Very windy today, isn't it? Yeah. Oh no, again. Yeah, those double flat back flips are not really working out for me. Need to be a bit more skilled, which I'm not. Let's just double check that it's good. Yeah, I think it's taken it. Thank you. It's quite nice just sliding this round as well. On the nose. again. Sorry. Sun's come out, which is great because it's been raining the last couple of days and it's super windy today. Just landed that. I have to be super careful where my son is because he keeps running in front of the ramp and I really don't want to get him with the Kraton success. These kids are not coming here. Sorry. Just had to fire a warning shot. Hello. Right, battery just disconnected, so I've just whacked it back in. Got these kids here that want to play in the same spot. So, oh, that's LVC.